In Shiv Yoga, we believe in the Shakti. So in the Shaivite philosophy, we have very great thinkers. And one of the great thinkers' name is Bhagirath. Bhagirath saw that there was a lot of suffering in his bloodline. He saw that so many of his ancestors died a traumatic death. Suffered, and hence they were not at peace. Now one thought would be, who cares? So what, ancestor? Just forget. But what Bhagirath philosophy in the Sanatan of Shiv Yoga is, you can forget them, but you cannot escape from the impact, the burden that you are carrying. And we carry it in our cells. We carry that generational pain in our DNA. And now you don't know where that anxiety is coming from. You don't know where that anger is coming from. But you feel that impact. And the greatest gift that you can do for the people you love is break the chain of suffering, the generational suffering that we carry. So Bhagirath searched the world for an answer, for a way. And in this world, he could not find a solution for the sorrow. But in our ancient Sanatan, this wasn't the only world we knew about. They had access to other worlds. And in one of these worlds, the most divine world, the one you can think of, heaven, Bhagirath found Ganga. Ganges. And Bhagirath prayed to the Divine Mother, come with me. and let your divinity wash the ashes of my ancestors. And in that washing of the ashes, they get peace. और जो भी कर्म या समस्या लेकर के बैठे हो वो वॉश हो जाए. We Shiv Yogis have another representation. So when Bhagirath talked about Ganga, we were not talking about a physical river. We were talking about the grace of Shiva. Because if you ever look at Shiva, the photo, Ganga coming from him, from the Sahasrar Kapal of Mahadev. So what we Shiv Yogis do, what you are learning, is through this meditation, once again bring the Ganga in your life. And now the question comes, where do I get my family's ashes? Because ashes represent some part of them. And let me tell you a secret. In your DNA, you have your mama, you have her mama, you have her mama, you have her mama. So you have access to all the peoples. And when you do the sadhana, and when we are doing that sadhana again and again and again, the Ganga is not just healing you. The Sanjeevani of Shiva, the Adya, the Lalita, all synonyms. But it is healing your family.